is Professor Shadab Sheikh. Today we are going to start a chapter, Redemption of Preference Shares. Student, what is the meaning of preference shares? If we can say in simple word, preference shares are shares in a company that are owned by the people who have the right to receive a part of company profit before the ordinary shares are paid. So student, preference shares are those shares which have basically two preferential rights. A right to receive dividend at a given rate before any dividend is paid on equity shares. Means preference shares are getting priority over ordinary shares. So subject to declaration by the company, rate of dividend is mentioned on the face value of the share certificate. Rate of dividend. For example, 12% preference shares. So student, 12% is the rate of dividend. A right to repayment of capital before equity shareholders at the time of liquidation of the company. So every time preference shares take priority over ordinary shares. So what is the meaning of redemption of preference shares? Students, redemption of preference shares means repayment of preference shares capital to preference shareholders. Means company is paying the amount of preference shares to the preference shareholders. See, H Limited. H Limited had 8,000 8% redeemable preference shares of ₹100 each. Fully paid up, the company decided to redeem these preference shares at par. The meaning of par, student, at face value by the issue of sufficient number of equity shares of ₹10 each fully paid at par. You are required to pass necessary journal entries including cash transactions in the books of company. See the students, company wants to redeem preference shares. So for that, the company is issuing equity shares. So what is the entry of equity shares? See, the amount is given, the number of equity shares is 8,000 and ₹100 is given. So we have to multiply with 8,000 multiply by 100. So what is the general entry, student, for equity shares? See, in the books of H Limited, they are going to write journal entries. Very first journal entry, student, bank account debit, because we are getting money, to equity share capital account, amount is 8 lakhs, 8 lakhs. Narration is being the issue of 80,000 equity shares, ₹10 each at par for the purpose of redemption of preference shares. Point number second, student. See, now we are going to pay the amount to the preference shareholders. So what is the due entry at par? So the due entry, student, at par, preference share capital account debit to preference shareholder account. Before making a final entry, we are going to pass due entry at par. So the due entry is redeemable preference share capital account debit to preference shareholder account, and the 8% is mentioned in the question. So 8% redeemable preference share capital account debit to preference shareholder account. Narration, being the amount payable on redemption of preference shares transferred to the preference shareholder account. Now the final entry. Final entry means entry for payment. Entry for payment is preference shareholder account debit. See, preference shareholder account debit to bank account. This is the final entry, 8 lakh rupees, 8 lakh rupees. So being the amount paid on redemption of preference shares. Thank you, students.